Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your jersey on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game and complete through the basic tutorial levels, and you will be allowed to select a team as your home team to start playing your games. Now, when you continue to play the game, you will gain various different rewards, which also includes different jerseys. Now, if you wish to use these jerseys within a match, then just tap on the club menu from the home page. From this page, tap on Locker Room, and you can just tap on the kit option in order to choose from the various different kit of jerseys that are available. You can choose this as a home or an away jersey. So after making your choice, tap on the confirm button, and now your change will be applied, and this kit will be chosen for your team. You can also customize your kit and your jersey by tapping on the appearance option and make various different changes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the team jersey within the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.